Hello all and welcome to Sudarshan CADD channel. In this video we are going to learn about how to modify the object. So let's get started. So we are back to the Blender. So this is our standard by default cube. So in this session we're gonna learn how to modify this cube into different shapes. So to modify this cube, just go into the edit menu by pressing the tab, and you can also go to the edit menu by going through here. So in the edit menu now, for example, if you add some more edges to the cube, then just press Ctrl and R, and it will give you the reference to add the new edges and loops. So now if I choose to be horizontal, just click here and then just drag where you wanted to have the edge, the new edge should be. So just I think I should have the edge here, and then again just press Ctrl R and just check the plane in which you wanted to have the navages, and in this way you can just draw the navages to the cube, and to transform this cube in different shape. Now we are going to click on the face and just click on the one face and just scale it down. Okay, or maybe we can just scale this face in the Z or X. Just checking how we can just transform this cube. Yeah. So let's say this is what we done. Then again, just select the face. Then again, just scale it down a bit, or just scale up or scale down, what you wanted to have. So you can see we have. So this is just not any standard case or any standard object, but just we are learning how to make the new vertices and the edges. So in this way we can make some more vertices. Again, switching back to the object mode. So now you can see our cube has been changed into some different shape. So if you want to subdivide this cube into more faces and shapes, then again we can do that by right clicking on the object and select. So there are so many options where you can see the here, like uh, duplicate, paste, and origin, the shade smooth. So if you click on the shade smooth, so our object will be, the edges will be get smoothened and objects will be look like this. So now you can see this is a shade smoothen object. So in this way we can edit our object. So to learn more about, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. Thank you.